When considering Builder Prime for your church management needs, there are 12 key things you need to know before making the decision. Unlike other platforms, Builder Prime offers a range of features designed to simplify church operations, but it's important to understand both its strengths and limitations before committing. Let's break it down. First thing, Builder Prime is designed primarily for church administration, with tools that help manage memberships, track donations, and schedule events. Compared to other church management software, Builder Prime offers a clean, user-friendly interface, but its features can feel more focused on general business management than church-specific needs. Next thing, Builder Prime provides a robust CRM system that helps you manage donor relationships and follow up with church members. The CRM is similar to other platforms like Planning Center or Breeze, but it stands out with its ability to automate communication, which can save you a lot of time in outreach and follow-up. However, it might require a bit of a learning curve to fully customize it to your church's specific needs. The third thing to note is that Builder Prime includes financial management tools, including donation tracking, invoice generation, and billing. This is similar to what you get with ChurchTrack, but Builder Prime's accounting features are not as comprehensive as more finance-focused platforms. You might find it lacks some in-depth reporting that others offer. The fourth thing is its event scheduling and management features. Builder Prime does offer scheduling tools, but if you're looking for something that's heavily focused on complex event planning with multiple volunteer teams, you may find it lacking compared to software like Planning Center services. Next thing, Builder Prime's mobile app allows you to access your church's data from anywhere. It's convenient for quick updates or accessing information on the go, but the app can be a little clunky, especially when compared to competitors like Tithe.li, which offer smoother mobile experiences. The sixth thing is its pricing model. Builder Prime offers an affordable monthly subscription, which is appealing for smaller churches on a budget. However, the pricing tiers might not offer the most flexibility if you're looking for a scalable solution as your church grows, something that other platforms like Church Community Builder might handle better. The seventh thing, the platform includes email marketing tools, which are great for sending newsletters, event invitations, and prayer requests. While this feature is useful, it's not as robust as platforms that specialize in email marketing, like MailChimp, which might offer more customization and tracking capabilities. The eighth thing, Builder Prime, also includes a website builder that allows you to create a basic church website. While this is a nice feature, the website design tools aren't as customizable as other platforms designed specifically for churches, such as Faithlife or Wix. Next thing, if your church needs detailed reporting, Builder Prime does offer some reports on donations, membership, and event attendance, but compared to alternatives like ACS Technologies, it doesn't have the most advanced reporting capabilities. This may be a deal breaker for churches that rely heavily on data for decision making. The 10th thing, Builder Prime allows for integrations with a few third-party apps, but it's not as open as some of its competitors. You may not find it as easy to integrate with tools you already use, which can be a frustration if you're accustomed to highly flexible platforms like ChurchSuite. The 11th thing, Builder Prime does have customer support, but the service can be slower compared to platforms like Breeze, where customer service is known for being more responsive. It's something to keep in mind if you anticipate needing frequent assistance. Lastly, while Builder Prime is a solid option for small to medium-sized churches looking for an affordable, general-purpose church management tool, it might not be the best fit if you need more specialized features for large churches or complex operations. It's good, but if you're looking for a better fit that's designed to scale with your church's growth, we recommend checking out our solution that you can try for free. In conclusion, Builder Prime is a solid choice for many churches, but it's important to weigh its features and limitations against what other platforms can offer. For churches that need something more tailored to church operations, you might want to explore other options.